Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, today we will discuss rules for obtaining images formed by a convex lens. The rules for obtaining images formed by a convex lens are as follows. Rule 1. A ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens passes through its focus after refraction through the lens. Dear students, अगर इंसिडेंट रे कन्वेक्स लेंस के प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल आएगी तो ये लेंस से रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद फोकस में से पास हो जाएगी. सपोज दिस इज ए कन्वेक्स लेंस. दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन इज इट्स प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. दिस सेंटर पॉइंट इज इट्स ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. दिस ray of light is coming from an object. It is parallel to the principal axis of the lens. It enters into the convex lens and gets refracted at this point D. After refraction, its path changes and it passes through the focus of the lens. So, when a ray of light is parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens, it passes through the focus of the lens after refraction through the lens. Rule 2. A ray of light passes through the focus of a convex lens becomes parallel to its principal axis after refraction through the lens. Dear students, this rule is just the reverse of the rule first. जब इंसिडेंट रे कन्वेक्स लेंस के फोकस में से पास हो जाएगी तो ये लेंस से रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल हो जाएगी. लेंस के प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल हो जाएगी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस ray of light AD is coming from the object. This AD ray of light coming from the object is passing through the focus of the lens. It passes through the focus of the convex lens. It enters the lens and gets refracted at point D. After refraction, it becomes parallel to the principal axis of the convex lens. So, when a ray of light is passing through the focus of the convex lens, it becomes parallel to the principal axis of the lens after refraction. Rule 3. A ray of light passing through the optical center of a convex lens goes straight after refraction through the lens. जब इंसिडेंट रे कन्वेक्स लेंस के ऑप्टिकल सेंटर में से पास हो जाएगी तो ये अपना पाथ चेंज नहीं करेगी. इसमें कोई डिविएशन नहीं होगी. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन में ही पास हो जाएगी. सपोज दिस इज ए कन्वेक्स लेंस. दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन इज इट्स प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. दिस सेंटर पॉइंट इज इट्स ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. Dear students, a ray of light AO is passing through the optical center of the lens. It does not deviate. It does not deviate from its original path. It does not bend. It goes straight after passing through the convex lens. So, when a ray of light is passing through the optical center of a convex lens, it goes straight after refraction through the lens. Dear students, these are the rules for obtaining the images formed by a convex lens. Thank you.